just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated to watches warnings and selected statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
I thought you were going to activate 6 hours.
And now a look at your forecast for Rochester and southeast Minnesota. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. A chance of sprinkles late in the morning. Highs around 60. Southeast winds 10 to 20 miles an hour.
Okay, first of all, you didn't activate, and you did not either.
Showers and a slight chance of thunderstorms.
Both of you didn't activate.
Hours after midnight. Lows in the lower 50s. South winds 10 to 20 miles an hour.
But I have to say, you and you both were supposed to activate.
Thursday.
Bye.